Hello, my name is Matt Kosch, and this is my timeline. I decided to become an educator when I was in high school. I originally wanted to be a high school history teacher. While I was in college, I changed my major to business. I later on became interested in Spanish, and through Spanish, I decided to become a teacher once again. My first teaching job was at the University of Nebraska at Kearney in Kearney, Nebraska, UNK, in 2009. I was a graduate teaching assistant. I taught Spanish 100 and 101 while I was studying for my master's degree. My first high school teaching position was in 2011 at Hastings St. Cecilia in Hastings, Nebraska. I have always been a Spanish teacher. The only time I have ever changed teaching responsibilities has been when I have changed the Spanish class that I taught. For example, I started as a Spanish 2 and Spanish 4 teacher, but later became a Spanish for Spanish Speakers 1 and Spanish 3 teacher. During my first years as a high school teacher in 2011 to 2013, I coached football, basketball, bowling, and track. I later decided that I was not passionate about coaching and decided to focus more on teaching. I decided to become a school leader in the spring of 2020, around that time, and that's when I applied for the program at Fort Hays State. I started this program in the fall of 2020. The courses that I've taken and plan to take are in the fall of 2020, I took EDL 851, Supervision and Evaluation of School Personnel, and EDL 852, Intro to Building Administration. In the spring of 2021, I took EDL 853, Special Education for Building Administrators, and EDL 854, Building Finance. In the fall of 2021, I took EDL 850, School Law, and EDL 856, School and Community Relations. In the spring of 2022, I plan to take AEP 879, Practicum in Education 2. I started my e-portfolio in the spring of 2020. I plan to complete my e-portfolio this coming semester, the spring of 2022. I plan to leave the classroom for an administration position as soon as possible. I'm hoping to start as an administrator at my current school next year or maybe the year after. I do not plan to retire for many years. I am currently 38 years old and have many years before I really even think about retirement.